Hey everybody, this is Cheryl. Some of y'all are familiar with WilBond, Cajun Rockhound. Got a few things in from him, mainly Chert and some Crowley Ridge Agates. And just giving y'all a little taste of what's in the bag. I'm not going to go through everything right now. These are just dry and unpolished. But just giving you a heads up, I'm gonna do a live video probably this weekend. Hopefully Saturday night, Sunday night, depending on who all's available. Maybe Monday. I don't know when really. I'll set it up after I find out what everybody else is gonna do. But I really like Chert, and he had a lot of Chert that was just fantastic. I like these Crowley Ridge Agates too, man. These things just blow my mind. They kind of look like turtle shells. Some of them look like frogs. I mean, they are just fantastic. I really like them. And I enjoy being able to get my hands on them. I wish I could get out there and collect them, but, you know, it's just not something I can do. Crowley Ridge Agates live a long ways from me, so. But, this Chert is really nice. But I got this big old bag of stuff to go through, and then I got a bag over here that is supposed to be polished. So we'll do a live video, and we'll go through and we'll do a comparison on the polished and unpolished, and give y'all something to do one night when we don't have nothing else to do, and I'm not working or feeling bad, and you know, we'll just go through it and see what's in there. Will's a cool guy. Y'all go check out his video, his channel. It's WilBond's Cajun Rockhound. Just hashtag the Cajun Rockhound and you got it. Thanks. See y'all soon.